The mandibular nerve is the largest of the three divisions of the trigeminal nerve, the fifth cranial nerve. Structure: the large sensory root emerges from the lateral part of the trigeminal ganglion and exits the cranial cavity through the foramen ovale. The small motor root of the trigeminal nerve passes under the ganglion and through the foramen ovale to unite with the sensory root just outside the skull. The mandibular nerve immediately passes between tensor veli palatini, which is medial, and lateral pterygoid, which is lateral, and gives off a meningeal branch in the nerve to medial pterygoid from its medial side. The nerve then divides into a small anterior and large posterior trunk. The anterior division gives off branches to the four main muscles of mastication and a buccal branch which is sensory to the cheek. The posterior division gives off three main sensory branches, the auriculotemporal, lingual and inferior alveolar nerves and motor fibers to supply malahyoid and the anterior belly of the digastric muscle. Branches equals, the mandibular nerve gives off the following branches, from the main trunk of the nerve, muscular branches, which are efferent nerves for the medial pterygoid, tensor tympani, and tensor veli palatini muscles, meningeal branch. From the anterior division, masseteric nerve, motor, deep temporal nerves, anterior and posterior, buccal nerve, lateral pterygoid nerve. From the posterior division, auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve, inferior alveolar nerve. Supplies: the mandibular nerve innervates, anterior division, motor innervation, muscles of mastication, masseteric nerve, masseter. Medial pterygoid nerve, medial pterygoid, tensor tympani, tensor veli palatini nerve, tensor veli palatini. Lateral pterygoid nerve, lateral pterygoid. Deep temporal nerve, temporalis. Sensory innervation, buccal nerve, inside of the cheek. Posterior division, lingual split, sensory innervation, not taste, anterior 2/3 of tongue, inferior alveolar split, motor innervation, malahyoid, digastric, sensory innervation, teeth and mucoperiosteum of mandibular teeth, chin and lower lip, auriculotemporal split, scalp. See also, ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve, marginal mandibular branch of facial nerve. Additional images. References: Illustrated Anatomy of the Head and Neck, Fehrenbach and Herring, Elsevier, 2012, page 181. External links: MED Edit Loyola Gross ANATOMYCNCNB3HTM, Anatomy Figure, 2703-02 at Human Anatomy Online, SUNY Downstate Medical Center, Cranial Nerves at the Anatomy Lesson by Wesley Norman.